Skincare straight from the depths of a Japanese volcano, products fit for a picnic during the summertime, and new skincare technology. All of that and more in the latest installment of Picky News. First story tonight is a product that smells so good you'll want to eat it. Don't. We're talking of the Strawberry Smooth 𝗣𝗥𝗢𝗗𝗘𝗗 Salicylic Serum from Glow Recipe with 10% Clarity Complex, 2% salicylic acid, mandelic acid, strawberry extract, azelaic acid, and more. This serum claims to smooth texture, refine pores, and help clear breakouts, along with hydrating the skin thanks to hyaluronic acid and allantoin. Good for those that have concerns with acne, blemishes, enlarged pores, texture, and fine lines. Run to your nearest pharmacy, this is an emergency, because they just released their latest 10% waterless vitamin C serum. This serum contains 10% L-ascorbic acid, 1% alpha-arbutin, along with tangerine peel and sugar beet antioxidants. This serum promises to brighten and target dark spots, along with improving the skin tone and evening out the complexion. It incorporates a new waterless technology that helps to stabilize and keep the vitamin C potent. And next, let's go on the defense with the Peptide Q10 and Ginger Daily Defense Antioxidant Serum from SELFLESS by HYRAM. This lightweight serum contains a trio of antioxidants, including Peptide Q10, Haruharu, and ginger root. These all work together to protect your skin from daily stressors. This serum claims to prevent damage and reduce skin fatigue. Now, let's go live to Japan, where our picky reporter, Martina, is standing by. Martina, can you hear me?
Yes, Sarah, I can hear you. Good evening, everyone. We are here live from Japan to talk about the new clarifying clay mask from Tatcha.
Is it hot over there?
Yes, Sarah, let me tell you, here the temperature is rising any minute.
Can you tell us the latest about the new Tatcha product?
The mask is formulated with 𝗣𝗥𝗢𝗗𝗗𝗏, Japanese konjac, and Okinawa clay. It claims to warm up the pore, detox and exfoliate the skin while smoothing it. It's recommended for oily skin and combo too oily, and if your skin concerns are uneven texture, pore, and oiliness. Now back to you, Sarah.
Thank you for that riveting report. Now please get out of there. And our next story, be free with vitamin B3. We're talking a Liftactive vitamin B3 serum from Vichy. This serum is clinically proven to efficiently reduce dark spots and fine lines in 8 weeks. Suitable for all skin types, fragrance-free, and allergy tested. Good for those that have concerns of uneven skin tone, fine line and wrinkles, and anti-aging. Includes ingredients such as niacinamide to lighten dark spots, glycolic acid to exfoliate, and tranexamic acid, which helps to also reduce skin discoloration. And our next product is truly a wonder. Haruharu Wonder, that is. The Black Rice Bakuchiol eye cream from Haruharu includes their patented and famous fermented black rice extract, along with bamboo shoot extract, natto gum, and madecassoside. These all help to nourish, firm, and hydrate the skin around the eyes. And lastly, it's time to hit refresh on that skin with SOLLALLA's multivitamin refresh toner. This includes an abundance of nourishing ingredients such as niacinamide, panthenol, and 5 different plants and oils. This claims to help exfoliate as well as moisturize the skin with a goal to achieve clear skin by keeping a natural balance of oil and moisture. That is the latest for Picky News. Make sure to check in next time with the latest skincare updates. Live from Seoul, South Korea, this has been Sarah from Picky News. I wish you all a good night.